Yo, what's up, Team Curlew? I'm going to the store. I'm going to Walmart right now. I'm actually sneaking out the house to go get my husband a ps5 for Black Friday. He actually doesn't know that I snuck out the bed to run to Walmart to get him a ps5 from Black Friday, because where I stay at right now, they barely have the games. So I'm sneaking out the bed now, which is Rappers is upstairs right now, and he doesn't know that I'm out of bed. I got dressed, RIP to my father. So I snuck out the bed, and I'm on the way to Walmart to get him a ps5. So hopefully he doesn't wake up while I'm gone, but I'm sneaking out, and I'm gonna bring you guys along while I go to Walmart and pick up this ps5. So make sure you like, subscribe to our page, and I'll be back in a moment. So I did make it to Walmart. So you guys, I did have to get a PlayStation ticket because I'm getting other things. So I will be back to get his PlayStation. Yay! So you guys, I did make it to Walmart. It's kind of packed in here. Let's see if I can go ahead and get him his PS5. Okay, my YouTubers, I'm here in a PlayStation 5 controller for him. It's crazy in here. If I can only show you guys how crazy it is, I'll show you in a moment. I'm just doing piece by piece, so just bear with me.
And want the green case there?
Yeah.
You want insurance? Yep, marked down 69.
Okay, what is my total?
It's going to be 178.79.
So they do got the games, y'all. Come get it. All right, you guys, I went in, snuck out of the bed, like I mentioned, and got him his PS5. Now I'm on the way home. Okay, guys, it's kind of still, I don't have good lighting out here. It's still kind of dark. I just got home with the PS5s. As I mentioned, I snuck out the bed, so I'm trying to sneak back in the house. I'm getting the stuff out the car now. Hopefully he's still asleep and I can sneak back in the bed with him. So I'm sneaking back up in the house. Just got back from Walmart. 1 second. Just got back from Walmart, so hopefully he's still asleep.
Yo, where you come from, Florida? Where you come from, my youth? Where you come
Babe, I went to Walmart.
Went to Walmart dress up. You can't went to Walmart dress up. Me never see you put on them because you got Walmart bad man.
Babe, I went to Walmart to get this for you. I bought you a PS5.
Go back come bad man. Me I call the phone and you not answer your phone. Where you did there? Let me ask you.
I went to Walmart to get you a game. I snuck out the bed to get you a game. I'm sorry that
I call the phone and you not answer your phone, Parry.
Because I snuck out the bed to get you a game. I didn't want you to know.
I've had chain now. Can I sit? You got Walmart and put on chain and listen to Parry. Yo, where the pan my youth?